After you download the zip file from our website, you just unzip it. This is the MyCMM post. To run the post for the first time, you click on this exe, MyCMM post exe, double click. And if you see this error, that means you have no license. So to get a license, you need to copy this number and send it to us to get a license. Okay. Once you have been informed that your license is registered, then to update the license, all you need is to go to other setting, click on the software updates, then OK, and then restart again. So if the message is gone, that means now you have your license. Okay. To update a license, you must make sure you are online. Okay. Next, you need to for this to work, you need to install this post to Cimatron. To do that, you need to go to setting tab and admin login. The current password is 0. No password. Blank. Yeah. Then you must make sure this is the correct Cimatron CMM folder. Okay. After this is correct, then make sure you click update. If you change anything, update, and then click install. So after you click install, then only you can load this post within Cimatron.